Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so here we are at the Goodwill. So let's walk around, guys. Let's see what they have. They're pretty stocked. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And by the way, I will be linking them down below. Now, I did want to mention that the calendar of collaborations for January 2025 will be coming out shortly. Always make sure and head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to find not only the calendar of collaborations, but you'll also find any news and every news. Now, I do have to say that the Goodwills here where I live are always pretty much stocked. I am so happy about that. So we're just kind of looking at things and walking around and I'm enjoying myself, guys. I can be in these thrift stores all day. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you in and out of the video or at the end. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.